One of the most asked about questions on our website from the customers is, what do I do when I have a lamp that has this European fitter socket on it? So the things that you can do for a small shade is, when you put the bulb on, you can use the alternative of either a clip-on like this, which gives you a 1-inch riser, and it's best for shades no bigger than 12 inches, bottom diameter, or you would use a broken socket. No, you would use a clip-on like this, which is flush. So you can see one is flush and one sticks down. So the real alternative is, when you have large shades, like a floor lamp use or so forth, what do you put on? In that case, there is a European adapter, which you can put on this lamp that allows you to use an American harp without changing your hall socket. And it comes in two sizes, a 1 3/8 diameter, which is an inside diameter, and a 1 1/2 inside diameter. So, how do you find out which is the correct size? The first step is, just take a piece of paper, put the ring that you just pulled off, take a pencil, make the inside circle like that, and measure this distance. That's your inside diameter, or ID, of this collar that goes on the European socket. Now, what do I do? There is adapters like these that fits over this. You put this back in place. And the most important thing is that you align these opposite this and then tighten it down. So that allows the shade not to have a mark when lit from the harp. Now you can put on any American harp. This one's an adjustable. You lift the bells, these things here. You lift these bells up and you put it in there. And now you can use a regular shade. And that's a European fitter adapter. This one has to be a adjustable harp, but you can put a harp on, take the finial, put the shade on, and then put the finial on top. And you're all set. So the finial goes on top like normal. And there you go.